Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. So, today's Wipro NLTS 2021 series, we will be learning on time and work. Okay, the basic type of problems we'll be solving today, how to do it within 10 seconds without even touching the pen. Okay, now I have observed time and work. So many people do it in complex methods, lengthy methods, which are time consuming. Okay, so can we do it in a easier way, faster way, simpler way? Yes. Before I get into time and work, first let us learn how to find LCM of numbers in the fastest way. Okay, now let me say I want to find the LCM of 10 and 20. Sir, 10 and 20 LCM. Can I say 20 is already a multiple of 10? Yes or no? So LCM is 20. LCM is what? Least common multiples. So I need to focus on the multiples. Let me take another example, 25 and 100. Can I say 100 is already a multiple of 25? So LCM of 25 and 100 is what, sir? 100. Similarly, if I take 20 and 60, LCM is 60. Okay, 12.5 and 25, LCM is 25. 25 and 125, LCM is 125. These are type 1 problems. Type 1 problems are problems where one number will be a multiple of the other number. Clear? Now coming to type 2. Type 2 problems, let me take examples 4 and 6. Okay, I want to find the LCM of 4 and 6. People, which is the larger number? 6. So keep multiplying 6 till 4 divides. What is 6 twos are? 12. Does 4 divide 12? Yes, sir. LCM is 12. Okay, now 6 and 9. Sir, 6 and 9, which is the larger number? 9. So keep multiplying 9 till 6 divides. What is 9 twos are? 18. Does 6 divide 18? Yes, sir. LCM is 18. Now you tell me 9 and 12. Larger number is what? 12. So keep multiplying 12 till 9 divides. 12 twos are 24. Does 9 divide 24? No, sir. 12 threes are 36. Does 9 divide 36? Yes, sir. LCM is 36. Okay. 12 and 18, larger number is 18. So keep multiplying 18 till 12 divides. Sir, 18 twos are 36 is a multiple of 12. So LCM of 12 and 18 is what, sir? 36. Now you tell me 15 and 20. What should be the LCM? 15 and 20, larger number is what? 20. So keep multiplying 20 till 15 divides. 40, 60. This is my LCM. 20 and 25, larger number 25. Keep multiplying 25 till 20 divides. 50, 75, 100. So LCM is 100. This is how we find LCM of numbers without even touching the pen. Now let me take type 3. Okay, let me say numbers which are co-prime to each other. 5 and 7. Does 5 divide 7? No, sir. Does 7 divide 5? No, sir. Ego problem between them. Directly multiply. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? It is nothing but 5 into 7. Sir, 7 and 11 do not divide each other. So LCM will be 7 into 11. Okay, 11 and 17 co-prime to each other. So LCM will be 11 into 17. These are type 3 problems. So if you have this basic idea about HCF and LCM, we will be able to solve problems on time and work. So let us look at the first sum on time and work, all of you. Now, okay. Now look at this sum. Ram completes a work in 30 days and Sham does it in 45 days. What is the time taken by them to complete the same work if they work together? Okay, so Sham is completing in 30. Sorry, Ram is completing in 30 and Sham in 45. Now, and many people, okay, they use formulas, that is xy divided 2xy divided by x plus y, or xy divided by x plus y. Okay, they use lengthy methods that use fractions. Okay, like, sir, I will just show it to you. Okay, so they are telling Ram completes the work in 30 days. Sham completes the work in 45 days. You know how many people do? They'll take, okay, Ram completes in 30 days, so in one day, 1 by 30. Sham 45 days, so in one day, 1 by 45. Together means, sir, we will put a plus. And then, sir, 30 and 45, what is the LCM? There also they'll do drama. Now you tell me 30 and 45, larger number is what? 45. Keep multiplying 45 till 30 divides. Sir, double of 45 is 90. 90 is a multiple of 30. So LCM is 90. Now 30 watts are 90, sir. 3 is a 45 watts are 90, sir. 2 is a 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 90 is nothing but 1 by 18. Sir, in one day, if they complete 1 by 18th of the work, they complete the work in 18 days. This is how maximum people do, and this is not the way to do. Okay, how do you do these type of sums is this way. I'll write the question again. Ram completes the work in 30 days. Sham completes the work in 45 days. Step number one, what do you do is you take the LCM of 30 and 45. Sir, what is the LCM of 30 and 45, sir? It is nothing but 90. So my total work is nothing but 90 units, which means what? You complete 90 units, you are completing the work. Now, Ram is completing the work in 30 days, which means what? Ram is completing 90 units in 30 days, which means in one day, how much is he doing? This might be a bit confusing. Okay, so I will first take a simple example and make you understand. Let me say you are eating 10 chocolates in 5 days. So if you are eating 10 chocolates in 5 days, in one day, how many chocolates are you eating? Two chocolates. How did I get this two, sir? Sir, 10 divided by 5. Same way over here. Ram is eating 90 chocolates in 30 days. If he's eating 90 chocolates in 30 days, in one day, how much is he eating? 90 by 30, that is nothing but what, sir? 3 units or 3 chocolates. Now coming to Sham. Sir, Sham is completing 90 units in 45 days, which means in one day, how much is he doing, sir? 90 by 45. What is 90 by 45, sir? It is nothing but 2 units. Sir, Ram is doing 3 units per day. Sham is doing 2 units per day. If they work together, they are completing how many units per day? They are completing 5 units per day. And they have to complete how much to complete the work? Sir, to complete the work, they have to complete 90 units. Sir, they have to complete 90 units, and in one day they're doing 5 units, which means how many days will they take, sir? 90 by 5, that is nothing but 18 days. I hope the concept is clear, all of you. Let me take another example, okay, all of you. Let me say A is completing the work in 10 days, and B is completing the work in 40 days. People tell me, what is the LCM of 10 and 40? Sir, LCM of 10 and 40 is nothing but 40. So total work is 40 units. A completes 40 units in 10 days, which means in one day he's doing 40 by 10, 4 units. B is completing 40 units in 40 days, which means in one day he's doing 1 unit. Sir, together if they work, they're completing 5 units, and to complete 40 units, they'll take how many days, sir? They'll take 8 days. Sir, advantage of this method, no, if I'm good at LCM, I can do these sums without even touching the pen. Now I'll give you one more example, okay? Let us see how fast we will be able to solve. Let me say X completes the work in 20 days and Y completes the work in 30 days. Sir, 20, 30, what is the LCM, sir? 60. So total work 60 units. Yes or no? Which means X is doing 3 units per day. How, sir? 60 by 20. Y is doing 2 units per day. Together they do 5 units per day. So answer is 60 by 5. That is nothing but 12 days. End of the story. I don't have to do it in 6 to 7 lines within one line, or in fact we can do this without even touching the pen, provided we are good at LCM. Okay, now let us see if we can solve more problems on this, all of you. Now look at this one, people. I want you to solve this without touching the pen. Sir, Raj completes the work in 50 and Jay completes the work in 12.5. Now you tell me, can I say 50 is a multiple of 12.5? All of you, yes or no? So 50 is a multiple of 12.5, so LCM is 50. Now I'll give you just half a minute time, try the sum. Okay. I hope you would have got the answer. If you have not got the answer, you don't have to worry. Sir, 50 in 12.5, 50 is a multiple of 12.5, so total work is 50 units. Raj is doing 50 units in 50 days, which means in one day is doing 1 unit. Jay is doing 50 units in 12.5 days, which means in one day is doing 4 units. Sir, how 4, sir? 50 by 12.5. So in one day, if they work together, they're doing 5 units per day, which means they'll complete the work in 10 days. I hope the concept is clear. Now we will be solving problems without even touching the pen using this technique. Okay, 1 second. Yes, people. Now, can you give me the answer for this sum, all of you? Pratik completes the work in 25. Manoj completes the work in 20. Sir, LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. If LCM is 100, which means Pratik is doing how many units per day, sir? 4 units per day. Manoj is doing how many units per day, sir? 5 units per day. If they work together, they'll complete 4 plus 5, 9 units. So answer should be 100 by 9. Sir, 100 by 9, no. 9 11s are 99. So answer is 11.11 without even touching the pen. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this sum. Let us proceed. Okay, sir, what if we have more than two numbers, sir? Then how do we do? Look at the sum. A is completing the work in 10 days. B is completing the work in 12 days. C is completing the work in 15 days. Now, whenever you have to find LCM of more than two numbers, focus on the largest two numbers, 12 and 15. People, 12 and 15, which is the largest number? 15. So keep multiplying 15 till 12 divides. I repeat, keep multiplying 15 till 12 divides. Sir, that is nothing but 60. So LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. And can I say 60 is a multiple of 10 also? So total work is 60 units, which means A is doing 6 units per day. B is doing 5 units per day. C is doing 4 units per day. Sir, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15. In one day, if they're doing 15 units, sir, 60 units, they'll take how many days? 60 by 15, that is nothing but 4 days without touching the pen. Now, I will just give you half a minute time. Can you solve this problem, all of you? Now, sir, 60, 12, and 10. Can I say 60 is a multiple of 12? Yes or no, people? And 60 is a multiple of 10 also. So LCM of 60, 12, and 10 is nothing but 60, which means P is doing 1 unit per day. Am I right? Q is doing 5 units per day. R is doing 4 units per day. Sir, 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 4 is 10. If they do 10 units in one day to complete 60 units, they'll take 6 days. So answer is option B. Clear, all of you? So this way, either you do one sum in 1 minute or you do 5 sums in 1 minute, shows your efficiency. Okay. So aptitude is all about speed and aptitude is all about techniques. Okay. If you have speed with you and if you have techniques with you, you will be able to solve problems without even touching the pen 90% of the sums. Okay, so I will try my best to upload videos every day as much as possible because right now we are focusing on our batch. Okay, we are preparing students for Wipro and LTH. We are training them for 4 to 5 hours every day live. Okay, and there are students who are still joining. So if you wish to be a part of this, okay, you can attend the class. If you are like, sir, but it has already started, we have backup classes for all the chapters. Okay, along with explaining the concepts along with improving your speeds, along with improving your techniques. We are also providing revision classes. Okay, after we finish a chapter, we provide revision classes, like all the important questions which are asked in Wipro, which are asked in competitive exams. We discuss that. Every weekend we have competitions where toppers will be getting gift hampers worth thousands of rupees. Okay, so all this is conducted so that students whoever join, the conversion rate is the best. So even if there are 10 students who come to us, we see through it that we try our best to convert all the 10 students. Okay, and trust me, 140 hours of live training plus revision classes plus mock exams where more than 500 people take up the test, you will not find it anywhere. Okay, so right now, even if you have not started, this is the right time for you to start. Enroll today and get placed in Wipro as soon as possible. Take care, have a great day, meet you tomorrow with a new chapter. Bye people.